Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 62 plate white Mercedes SLK. I'll just take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside and I'll point out the main features out to you. So starting with the front deck, which we've got the roof down at the moment. Just the front bumper. A couple of small marks, stone chips you might have noticed there. Front right. Take you down the right hand side. Back left, now down the left hand side. Got your daytime running lights there. Wheels are all in good condition. Good tread on the tyres. Take you inside now. So you've got electric windows there, mirrors, auto lights, got an AMG line, so you've got the carbon fibre style speedos, telephone, radio. Navigation ready, but it's not got the module. Oh, I think there's an album in there. If you like a bit of jazz. Some heated seats there, and we've also got the neck warmers as well. So got the nice red trim on the seats. Seats are in good condition. And you've got the red seat belts as well. In here you've got, oh, not taking that out, missed that bit. But USB capabilities. Then you've got your roof controls. So just the roof is all operational. If you're interested in booking a viewing of this car, please give us a call on 07917 033 781. The car comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, and a year's AA breakdown cover. The advert can be found on our website, paylessforcar.com. Hope to see you from you soon. Take care.